This video is all about eliminating USB port input lag and getting zero delay for your mouse, keyboard, and other peripherals. If you're tired of sluggish responses, micro stutters, or delayed inputs while gaming or working, this guide will show you simple and advanced Windows tweaks to fix it. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive in. So guys, in the first step, we need to make sure your system's power settings aren't silently sabotaging your USB performance. Open the main power options window on your PC. To achieve zero input delay and the fastest response from your USB devices, use either the high performance or ultimate performance power plan. If you only see balanced, you can use that temporarily, but avoid power saver entirely, as it can drastically throttle your hardware and increase input lag. Once your preferred plan is active, click Change Plan Settings, then Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings window, scroll down to PCI Express and expand it. Then expand Link State Power Management. Make sure this setting is off for both battery and plugged-in modes. This step is crucial because leaving it on allows your system to reduce power to the PCIe lanes, which USB controllers rely on, effectively introducing lag in your mouse, keyboard, or other peripherals. By turning it off, you ensure that data flows continuously at maximum speed, giving you immediate, lag-free USB performance. Additionally, while you're here, double-check USB Selective Suspend settings under USB Settings and set it to Disabled. This prevents your system from putting USB ports into a low power state, which is another common cause of input delay. With these adjustments, your system will prioritize performance over energy savings, ensuring your USB ports deliver the fastest, most responsive input possible. Now guys, we're going to tackle a hidden culprit behind USB input lag: Windows Fast Startup. While it's marketed as a speed booster, it can actually interfere with how USB devices initialize. Fast Startup doesn't fully shut down your PC, which can leave USB controllers and drivers in a partially active state, causing delayed responses or lingering glitches when you reboot. To disable it, open the control panel and navigate to Power Options. On the left side, click Choose what the power buttons do. At the top, click Change settings that are currently unavailable to unlock the options below. Then, simply uncheck the box labeled Turn on Fast Startup Recommended and hit Save Changes. From this point on, every shutdown will be a full, clean shutdown, ensuring all USB ports and drivers reset completely. This guarantees your mouse, keyboard, and other peripherals start fresh every time, eliminating hidden lag caused by stuck drivers or incomplete initialization. Now guys, if you're struggling with lag or high ping in your games, GearUp Booster is the ultimate fix. Here's how it works. To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Alright guys, now we're going to make sure Windows stops putting your USB ports to sleep. This feature is designed to save a tiny bit of power, but in reality, it's one of the biggest causes of sudden input lag spikes. Start by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Once it opens, scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers and click the arrow to expand the list. Here, you'll see items labeled USB Root Hub or Generic USB Hub. Now, go through each of these one by one. Double-click the first hub, switch to the Power Management tab, and uncheck the box that says, "Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power." Click OK. Then repeat this process for every other USB root hub and generic USB hub in the list. This step is critical because it forces your USB ports to stay fully powered at all times, ensuring that your mouse, keyboard, or other peripherals never experience lag caused by Windows trying to save energy. Once you do this, your system will treat all USB devices as high-priority, ready-to-go hardware, which is essential for zero-delay input. So guys, it's time for some advanced performance tweaks using the Windows Registry Editor. These changes allow your system to prioritize active applications and prevent hidden slowdowns that can cause input lag or micro stutters. Press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, and open it. Confirm the security prompt by clicking Yes. At the top of the Registry Editor, you'll see an address bar. Paste the specific path we've included in the video description to navigate directly to the correct folder. Once you're there, look on the right side for an entry called System Responsiveness. By default, its value is often set to 14, which tells Windows to reserve some CPU resources for background tasks. For gaming or high-performance USB input, we want the foreground application, your game or active input device, to get maximum priority. Double-click System Responsiveness, make sure hexadecimal is selected, and set the value to 0. Click OK. This adjustment ensures that Windows focuses CPU power on what matters most, significantly reducing micro stutters and input lag. While you're still in the same registry folder, there's one more critical tweak: Network Throttling Index. This registry key can limit your network throughput even when your connection is capable of much more, which can result in higher ping and delayed responses in fast-paced online games. Double-click Network Throttling Index, ensure hexadecimal is selected, and set the value to 8 times F. Click OK. This effectively disables Windows's artificial network throttling, giving you the most responsive online gameplay possible. With these two tweaks, your system will prioritize both real-time input and network performance, combining to deliver zero-delay USB response and smoother online gaming. And that's it! If this helped you get zero USB input lag, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more performance-boosting tips.